Hi friends, I hope all are doing well. But today I am not feel well because I am very alone. Yesterday I made a YouTube video and without my knowledge, so I just downloaded this video and without pasting my thumbnail, my unknowingly I just saved my previous video, but I don't know how to their response and how to I make it's very annoyed for me. But now time I know very well consistency is the key of success. So that's why again I just try to make a YouTube video and download it and save it. But I don't know. But I will try something better than previous video and keep going on. Now today I would like to share, it's not a story, it's like a jokes. Is there a restaurant? So a customer came over there and called the waiter. Waiter came and customer said, they please give me a plate of snacks. Waiter came by with the snacks and customer said that, so I just still here. And so that's the customer thought that I just still here, and customer said that waiter, so what is your restaurant's Wi-Fi code? Waiter said that, what do you like to have? So customer ordered something as a coffee, and waiter also came with coffee and served it, and customer said that, so please mention that what is your restaurant Wi-Fi number. Waiter asked, what do you have to like? Customer said that, please give me another one dish. Okay, now waiter came from the another one dish also. Customer said that, what is your restaurant's Wi-Fi code? Waiter said that, what do you like to have? So customer that time be angry and said that, I always ask you what is your Wi-Fi code number and you just offer me so what I want to like to some food. Waiter said that, sir, if you don't mind, it's our restaurant's Wi-Fi code. What do you like have to? So it is our restaurant's code, Wi-Fi code. So I don't know how to I explain, but I just try make a jokes. Please, if you like, so definitely like one like click for me. But just I just share another one thing. West Bengal, it's a since not since yesterday, since 3:30 p.m. starting heavy rain over there. So that's why our river and all this area, I think upcoming day may be flood. But our Durga Puja around the corner, so it's not to be supposed to be happened. I just try pay to the God, and it's outside it's too heavy, and also there is so many noise. I just try to remove the real voice and try to my over voice over inside the video. Now after the sessions I will just try it's my video real voice. But now time it's you just watch it my YouTube video, and it is called Hooghly River, but it is according to area they made their own language and own name, but it's called Bhagirathi, I think, but I don't know. If you know, please comment in the below. and it is very charming. And PBS I mentioned heavy rain here, so that's why it's not possible in front of camera, and in front of the public I made a video face to face. So that's why I just try to drafting and something edit video, and I'm inside my Toto, and I just flag my umbrella, and I just try to shoot all this video, because previous video I think some mistake over there, so that's why not possible. Is fully delications. And after now time my video also end of the session, so I just try to make a noise all over West Bengal. What type of noise? Please enjoy, keep going on, please allow me. Have a good day. We will mix our next video. Just enjoy the raining noise.